Qubica stood out over the competition, quite frankly, and we did move forward with that, testing sites that had the competition's product in them, but you could just tell from 15 feet away, honestly, that the product was not built to the same measures to withstand the use and abuse of customers and patrons, young and old, who would participate in the duckpin bowling. So that's really what it came down to, was the quality of product was much, much greater in the duckpin than it was the competition. The question I get asked a lot is, how did the Game Lounge increase our revenues here at Sure Shot Tap House? And quite frankly, it's bonkers. Every month since Bullseye has opened, we have more than doubled our gross receipts from our customers. The Bullseye has just allowed us to grow to new heights that I've never honestly expected. In our particular investment, we are tracking a 1-year ROI, if not shorter, which is awesome. An important factor of partnering with companies like Qubica was really that they understood what it would take for patrons to want to visit Bullseye Game Lounge. But what it does allow us to do is, it is the staple in our game room that brings families and patrons to Bullseye. And without it, I don't think we would be near as successful. I know we wouldn't.